Archie from Kids Online Club. And we are going to draw a playground slide.
A playground slide. We will be needing, as always, a Sharpie, a white paper, and some colors.
Then let's start drawing.
Let's start drawing the slide that you slide on the playground.
Yep. It's going to be an easy drawing.
It's easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you remember how the slide looks like? We know that you have been stuck at home because of COVID. But do you remember how the slide looks like?
No.
Yeah. Let's start drawing the slide. Ooh, this is how the slide is.
It's such a big slide.
And this is how the slide is, right?
Yeah.
Now we connect it, and now we make the stairs to get onto the slide.
No, why do we have to make stairs? Everybody can become a superhero and get onto the slide. Yeah.
Can you?
Yeah.
Try. And support that will help you in getting up on the slide. Okay, that was so easy, ma'am. It was so easy. Let's make it a little difficult.
Are you going to draw a boy or something?
Yes, we'll draw some kids playing in the playground.
See there.
Very good. Oh, it is a water pool. Oh, wow. So Parikshet made a water pool slide.
And you made a normal slide.
Yes. Do you want to make a kid?
Why not?
A simple, easy one, okay?
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Let's quickly color it now. We use, what color do we use? A red and yellow color, okay?
I will need an extra color.
Okay.
Give me this red, give me this yellow, you take another one. Okay.
That's cheating.
Yeah.
I'll use orange.
You use orange. If we have Sharpies, we have problem. If we just do it into the black color pencil thing also, the color will not get spoiled.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to make something extra.
What is that extra? Okay.
Are you also making something?
No, it's a mud. The sand part. Slides have slant so that you don't get hurt when you fall down. I'm doing that. And my slide is ready. Is yours ready?
Mine's not.
Oh, you're drawing kids playing?
Yeah.
Wow, that's lovely. Oh, I'm done with the drawing. Are you done? Guys, you enjoyed this, right?
No, wait. I almost forgot to do that.
Yeah. You should not be forgetting to do this. Come on.
Papa,
Yes.
it will actually be nice.
Yes.
You could even make a ball with him.
Yeah.
I just made a pocket.
Let's wait for Parikshet to finish his drawing. Until then, you can go back to the drawing. If you have not been able to catch up to our speed, you can go back and come again.
I need one. Please.
Make it fast. We are waiting for Parikshet to finish it, right? Ooh. Are you done, Parikshet?
Almost done.
Wow, that's a lovely drawing. Did you guys enjoy this? You enjoyed this, Parikshet?
Yeah, I enjoyed it a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
So see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
No, friend, please. 1 minute.
Something is left? Oh, it's a water pool. He forgot to color the water.
It's so nice if you just do something extra in drawing.
Yes, it is always good.
If you have any other ideas to put in the slide, you can use it. No
You
problem.
can use it. Absolutely right, Parikshet.
If you want 2 slides, you can make 2 slides.
Okay.
One small, one big. No problem.
Panda.
Done.
So we are done with the drawing. Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it?
Whose is more nice?
Whose is better? Stand up.
And whose is most creative?
Whose is more creative? It's Parikshet's, right?
Yeah. And the nicest one is you.
Yes.
That's friends. Have a good day.
Have a good day. Bye-bye.